In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix messages not receiving on TikTok. So if you're not being able to receive the messages on TikTok, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be that your age is set under 18. You'll not be able to receive the message if your age is under 18. Likewise, if you have blocked the person that you're expecting the message from, then also you'll not be able to receive the message. Likewise, if you do not have the verified phone number in your account, you will not be able to receive the message. So make sure to verify your age, phone number and check the block status. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, you might have to adjust some privacy settings. So for that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. Right over here under the section for account, you'll be able to find this option for privacy at second. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the privacy settings over here. So what you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for interactions, at third, you'll be able to find this option for direct messages. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find this option for permission settings. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to adjust the permission settings. You can see two options over here, potential connections, others on TikTok. Tap on the option potential connections. Now make sure request is selected over here. Likewise, repeat the same for others on TikTok. Now after you do that, you'll be able to receive the messages. If still you're not being able to receive the messages, what you can do is clear the cache. For that, go back. Now in the settings and privacy interface, scroll down. Under the section for cache and cellular, at second, you'll be able to find this option for free up space. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to clear the cache. Tap on this option clear right next to the option cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option clear again. Now once you do that, you can see over here the cache will be cleared. Now you'll be able to receive the message. If you're still not being able to receive the message, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the TikTok and install it again. After that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with your device itself. Your device must be going through some temporary software glitches. So for that, restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved and you'll be able to receive the messages on TikTok. So that is how you fix messages not receiving on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.